Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, the new moon that has started yesterday, its energies will be for today and tomorrow also. So behalf of that, let's see what message are we getting. Okay, so here's the card. Take a risk. So guys, this might be that you have come across such a situation where you are seeing that it can be risky, like anything can be the consequences also. But here's what new moon energies are trying to tell you, that you need to take that risk. Maybe now, for now, you're feeling that it may be risky also, but if you step into it, if you go little deep down and try to know more, you will understand this is not like that. As I said, like when the new moon messages I was doing the guidance, that please go little deeper whatsoever the thing is. Don't just go on the surface level that you're seeing, because it cannot be like that as you're feeling it, as you're thinking it. So take that risk. This is what this new moon energies are trying to tell. Let's see some more message. Okay, fine, there are two messages. I'm taking both of them. Evolve. The cosmic potential flows through you. So guys, universe is flowing through you. So evolve yourself. Maybe you are getting guidances within yourself. You are getting a lot guided by your dreams. You see a lot of signs around you, angel numbers, whatsoever. Whatever it is connected to universe and you are feeling it. You know that. So evolve and go according to it. Another thing, the dark. Take a moment to sit under the star speckled sky, listening to crickets and breathing in cool night at air. Guys, seriously, this works wonderful. If you sit at the dark, in the dark, like that doesn't mean you have to go out and sit. But yes, like you can watch the stars and all if it is possible for you to see those from your window, or you can sit silently and see that. A lot of time we get answers where we are stuck, or we get some clarity. It really happens. See it, try it, I would say. Let's see some positive affirmation. Okay. I let go, I release, I am within perfect possibility. Okay. Wonderful affirmation. I let go, I release, I am within perfect possibility. So you can chant this before going to bed, or as you wake up in the morning, and feel it while chanting it. It will give you wonderful results. This is what I would say.